guys, welcome to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I am here and I will be doing a get ready with me. So Ganesh Chaturthi is around the corner and I thought why not try to do a get ready with me for the first time for Ganesh Chaturthi. So Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the huge festival in Mumbai and Maharashtra. So you guys might have heard about Dagdushet and Lal Bagh Cha Raja Ganpati. So it is a big deal for us Mumbaikars, but this time we are in mid of a pandemic, so everything is going to be very low-key. So I thought why not to do a get ready with me for Ganesh Chaturthi festival. So yeah, so this is my complete look. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Start with the makeup. So the first product is the foundations. So I am using my MAC foundation. I'll dab some foundation on my hand, just a little bit, and I'm very much comfortable with my fingers, so I'm going to apply it using my fingers. Do not forget your neck and also your ears. Foundation is set. The next step is to set your foundation with a powder. So I am using Maybelline today and I will be dabbing a powder brush. As you can see, I have applied the powder really well. The next step is applying an eyeshadow. So I am using the Sugar Eye Quad, the eyeshadow quad which I have, which has these 4 amazing colors. Take your eyeshadow brush and dab on the pink shadow and apply it on your crease. Similarly, do it for the other eye. Take this skin color or a little bit of light brown eyeshadow and apply it all over your lid. So after that, we'll take this golden shimmery eyeshadow, just dab it eyeliner. So I'm going to use my absolute favorite Lakme Absolute Shine Line. So here we go. I'm done applying the eyeliner. So the next step is mascara. So I'm using the Wet n Wild mascara. So it is a very nice mascara. I've been using it for quite some time and I really like it. So we will just brush the eyelashes really nicely. I'm going to make my brows. So for this I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is the only brow kit which I have used and I really like it. So they have given a brush, an eyebrow brush with it. So what I do is I outline the eyebrows with the darker shade and I fill it with the lighter shade. My eyebrows are done and it looks a little weird now, but it will get fine. I'm going to use the L'Oreal blush. So it has 3 colors, so I don't pick any specific color. I just use all the 3 colors at the same time. So they have given a nice brush with it. So smile and just put it on your cheeks. We are done with the blush. The next is highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Sugar highlighter. It just has one single shade and it's a very nice bronzy pinkish shade. So I'm just going to use my ring finger for it. I'm going to dab some product and I'm just going to slightly, very light-handed on my nose, Cupid's bow, and some on the chin, and a very light-handed below my brows and little bit on just above your cheeks, a little bit. For lipstick, I'm going to use my super favorite Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Now these are, I guess, everybody's favorite, so I'm going to use that. So it is in the shade 42. Right here is a makeup, guys. That's my complete makeup look. So that's the bindi, and for my hair, I'm just going to comb it straight. Sorry, this is my first day hair wash, guys. I've made a side partition and in this particular partition I'm going to grab some hair like this much and I'm going to twist and twist and twist. Going to make a puff out of it and clip it. So that is it. So this is my very simple hair look, and I'm going to top it with my bronze bangles, which I love, and my cute jhumkas. Yes, that's my complete get ready with me for Ganesh Chaturthi look. I hope you love this look, and if you love it, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channels, and let me know in the comment section of what should I do next. Till then, take care. Bye.